Hey guys, it's July 30th, and we're at Subway for breakfast, and I got myself some egg, can't really see, but it has egg, bacon, and cheese, and Catherine's gonna get hers, so I'm gonna get water since I don't have apple juice here, but yeah, I'm gonna try it right now. Let's see. Okay guys, so right now we're at Macy's, and I have my mom, my grandma, and my cousin, and we're just looking at some things. It's not really exciting, but if something exciting happens, I will tell you. So yeah, is this. This is so true. Oh, there's Catherine. Wait. Hi. Blech. Your eye. Wait. Stay there. There you go. So, we're looking at some clothes. There's Sadea. Yep. Say hi. Come here. I'm going to show you something very nice. Okay. Come on. Oh, yeah, that shirt? Nope. Nice try. Now I'm saying it.